So hey guys, welcome back to another video of Marvel Spider-Man. I hope in the last episode you must remember that some demon gang tried to attack a Fisk factory and we successfully stopped them. Wait, Miles, where are you? Is this Miles? The second Spider-Man? The electric web Spider-Man who has some like electrical powers and go invisible? They even have Miles in this game? So am I gonna get control of Miles too? Come on, bro. I wanna get invisible.
Did they start the ceremony yet?
Ceremony? What ceremony are they talking about? I guess I would have to find out. Okay, so I'm here and okay, they were talking about the award ceremony of Officer Jefferson Davis. You know, like in sixth episode, he saved me from some demons, and that's why he's getting the bravery award. Oh wait, I think this is the family of Officer Jefferson Davis, and I think Miles Morales is the son of Officer Jefferson Davis. But why are their surnames different? You know, like Miles Morales, Officer Jefferson Davis, Davis and Morales.
Come on, honey.
That's weird. Alright, so at the beginning of the ceremony, Deputy Mayor gives a speech, during which MJ asked Peter for a coffee. But this guy don't know how to move slowly in a relationship, so he instantly asked her for a dinner at her place, like staying together at her place. Then he tried to neutralize the situation in most weird way possible.
Well, maybe after this we can grab some coffee.
Instead of coffee, maybe we could have dinner instead. I could come over, I'll cook. Or we could, meet at a totally neutral location for a completely normal meal, cooked by professionals.
Then Mayor Norman Osborn gave Officer Jefferson Davis the medals he deserved. But during that, Deputy Mayor told Norman Osborn that it's an urgent call. Mayor ignored it as he was in the middle of something important, but on insisting, he went to check it out. When he picked up the call, it was a threat call.
Listen, jackass, I get threats like this twice a week. Why don't you grow a pair and tell me what you want?
To watch you suffer.
Mayor, without caring about the public, just ran off from the ceremony. Then we see a familiar face. Martin Lee. He planned a suicide bomb attack just to damage the reputation of Mayor. But thankfully, Officer Jefferson Davis, without caring for his life, once again tried to save everyone. But did everyone survive? Why every other game I play have a sad ending? Miles? Wait, what? Why do I have the control of Miles? Where is Spider-Man? Miles, you have to stay alive. Hang in there. You have to become the future Spider-Man. Come on, you can do it. Okay, there is Spider-Man. Wait, even he fainted? Damn. That means the explosion must be very powerful. The bomb exploded right beside Officer Jefferson Davis. So, does that mean he's... No way, right? He was the bravest officer among all of them. And also, he's the second main character's father. So, I don't think he's dead. Wait, Mom, wait, don't go. It's dangerous out there. Let me go find my father. Okay, now both of my parents are missing. Great. I have to find both of them. Okay, let's go and find my mom first and then we will find my dad. Come on, Peter, wake up. Activate your regeneration power. He's still sleeping. At least save my dad, then sleep. Okay, let's go and save my father myself. Oh wait, I just realized I don't have my Spider-Man powers, right? So, how am I going to cross this bridge? Okay, well, that's going to be tough. I will meet you after finding Miles' mom. Okay, I found her, but... Oh shit! This is so heavy, come on, bro! Even this stick broke. I have to find something stronger. Take that metal rod. Yeah, that metal rod. It won't break and now let's try. Come on, use your all strength. Come on, nice and nice. Finally. Oh shit, that shit was really heavy. Are you okay, Mom? Wait, she have bruises all over her face. But I think she is okay. Now let's go and find his dad. Okay, this path is going to be a little easy, I think, if you can jump. But wait, that jump is, I think, too big. Ooh, he can make it. Nice. Bro never skips a leg day. Anyways, okay, this is high, but do you think, Miles, you can make it? Demons, oh no. Now it's going to be tough. They are open firing on civilians. These guys didn't even do anything. Just wait till I become Spider-Man. I'm gonna kick all of your asses. But for now, I guess I would have to sneak around them. But don't worry guys, I will come back for you after I become Spider-Man. Are you okay, buddy? Oh no, what are they doing to that guy? Shit. Are they soul eaters or something? Oh damn, that scared the hell out of me. There are so many dead bodies in this area. No, Miles, don't do it. You don't have your superpowers yet. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. This is going to be really bad. Is Spider-Man gonna show up in between or something? Who is gonna save Miles now? No. Oh no, 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 please.
We have to leave.
Martin Lee. Can you imagine a guy who serves at a social center is behind all of this? Well, I can't either. Alright, moving on. After searching for a bit, I finally found my dad. But...
Dad! Dad!
no way he's dead. Of course he's dead. Every character I love, every character I least expect to die, always dies in the end. Like, what the hell? Well, at least it was not a kid this time. If you don't know what I mean, there's a game called Where Winds Meter where they literally kills the main character's nephew. And she's literally the most beautiful, most bravest kid among all. Like, she was so cute. She was my favorite character. She was just unique. Too unique. Wow. Even this coward mayor is attending the funeral. If you had just made one announcement, none of them have died. Like, literally. He's the meanest mayor. Just kick him out of the position already. Wait, is that MJ and Peter Parker? How does Peter Parker and MJ knows Miles?
I'm sorry for your loss.
That doesn't make any sense.
Do I know you?
Yeah, they don't know each other. Why are they here? Okay, I guess they are just here as a guest. Anyways, I think that should be it for today's video. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, take care and bye-bye.